How to set up 2FA with Google Authenticator. Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to set up 2FA using Google Authenticator. Step 1. Install Google Authenticator. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Google Authenticator and install it. Once installed, open the app and it'll ask you to start adding accounts. Step 2. Go to your account's security settings. Now, go to the account you want to protect. This could be Gmail, Facebook, Binance, Discord, or any app that supports 2FA. Head into Settings, and then Security, and find two-factor authentication. Choose Use an Authenticator app. You see a QR code or a manual code. Step 3. Connect to Google Authenticator. In the Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, then select Scan a QR code, recommended, or enter a setup key. If they give you a code, point your camera at the QR code or type in the key. You'll now see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Step 4. Verify and save. Like this if you just turn on 2FA. Drop a comment if you need help with a specific app and subscribe for more digital security tips in 2025.